If you look around your room and see a graveyard of half-finished projects, a guitar in the corner, a half-coded website, unused baking tools, a sudden obsession with jujitsu, you probably feel a very specific kind of shame. Society has a word for you: unfocused, chaotic, dilettante. You tell yourself, jack of all trades, master of none, and you use it as proof that something is wrong with you. But psychology suggests something different. What if the scattered feeling isn't a flaw, but a sign of a highly adaptive brain? For the last century, success rewarded specialists. Dig one hole a mile deep, practice one skill for 10,000 hours, win the game. But that was a stable world. Today's world isn't stable. Industries shift overnight. Technology evolves weekly. Entire careers disappear in a decade. In unstable environments, extreme specialization becomes fragile, and your nervous system knows it. So instead of digging one hole forever, you explore, from coding to music, from fitness to philosophy, from business to art. To outsiders, it looks chaotic. But cognitively, you're building something rare. Psychology calls it far transfer. Specialists use near transfer, solving familiar problems with familiar tools. But you connect unrelated fields. You take ideas from one domain and apply them somewhere completely different. That's where innovation lives. Your value isn't just in depth, it's in synthesis. You are not T-shaped, you're M-shaped, multiple pillars of depth connected by curiosity. But here's the trap. You can't build every pillar at once. If you try to master coding, start a business, write a book, and train MMA in the same month, you burn out. Real polymaths practice serial mastery. They build in seasons. One season might be art. Another season might be programming. Another business. You're not quitting. You're constructing, one pillar at a time. And there's one more reason your chaos is powerful. Evolutionary biology calls it redundancy. In nature, redundancy is strength. If one system fails, another takes over. Your multiple interests are redundancy. If one industry collapses, you pivot. If one skill becomes obsolete, you adapt. You're not unfocused, you're antifragile. So stop apologizing for your unfinished projects. Those weren't failures. They were semesters. You weren't meant to be one thing. You were meant to be the bridge between worlds. And in a world that changes fast, bridges are more valuable than tunnels. If this helped you reframe your chaos, subscribe for more psychology that makes you see yourself differently. Because sometimes, what you think is your weakness is actually your evolutionary advantage.